Tax season is upon us, and in the crypto world, it is nerve-wracking for sure. In the United States, we want to make sure everything is buttoned up. All our T's are crossed, our I's are dotted, and we've got some new information I wanted to share with you here. Important crypto tax update for U.S. investors, and also stick around to the end of the video because I want to mention a service that I use to ensure that I am secure for my crypto taxes, and stick around for that at the end of the video. But before we get into it, the IRS is delaying the $600 crypto tax threshold, citing the need to clarify conditions before the rollout. This coming from the Daily Hodl just yesterday on Christmas. So very important updates here. Let me break it down for you here. Make sure you guys pay attention to this if you're in the United States and you invest in cryptocurrency. So the IRS is delaying rolling out its new $600 reporting threshold for third-party settlements, saying that more clarity is needed before it can kick off. Now, in a new press release, the IRS says that due to the moratorium, third-party settlement businesses will no longer be required to report transactions in 2022 that cross the $600 threshold. Again, no longer required to report transactions in 2022 that cross the $600 threshold. So furthermore, the IRS has designated 2022 as its transition period for the implementation of the new threshold, which was enacted as part of the American Rescue Plan in 2021. The transition period delays the reporting of transactions in excess of 600 to transactions that occur after the calendar year 2022. The transition period is intended to facilitate an orderly transition for third-party settlements organization, tax compliance, as well as individual payee compliance with income tax reporting. The IRS says it'll provide the proper 1099 forms required to report the new threshold to taxpayers who need them when the time is right. The change under the law is hugely important because tax compliance is higher when amounts are subject to information reporting like the Form 1099-K. Now, according to Acting IRS Commissioner Doug O'Donnell, the additional time will help taxpayers cleanly transition to the new system. To help smooth this transition and ensure clarity for taxpayers, tax professionals, and the industry, the IRS is going to delay the implementation of the 1099-K changes. The additional time will help reduce confusion during the upcoming 2023 tax filing season and provide more time for taxpayers to prepare and understand the new reporting requirements. Now, it's very important here in the crypto space that we button everything up, make sure that we are safe. A lot of the third-party systems out there, especially if you invest in DeFi, they don't account for things like gas fees, which are write-offs. They don't account for other things like token taxes. Making sure you have all of your information you need every time you're in and out of cryptocurrencies, have it all filed asset by asset. That's what I do. I use a service. It's called Blockchain Management Service, BCM. And if you're interested in this service, you want to take a look at it, I'm going to leave my link. You can get a discount of 5% if you're interested. I'm going to just tell you a little bit about it here in this video, and I'll be right back. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's that time of year. We're getting very, very close to tax season. And when it comes to crypto and taxes, it's not easy. Well, there might be a solution for you. There's a service that I have used now for the past 2 years, and now it is available to the masses. And I actually have a 5% discount if you're interested, but really I want to take you inside this company and what they're doing. So the current problem right now that we face, especially with DeFi tokens, when you buy crypto tokens, the taxes, gas fees, and cost basis are not calculated correctly when you're using third-party systems. That's why this needs to be done manually. And trust me when I tell you, this could be a very long process. Well, now you have a company like Blockchain Management, BCM, who will do your crypto taxes for you, give you a handout that you can then hand over to your CPA, and you have everything you need to make sure you're saving the most amount of money, because all those gas fees, all those taxes on various crypto projects, the 10% in, 10% out, those are all write-offs, folks. So if you're interested in BCM, there's a link down below in the description. We'd love for you to come over and check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, we're going to have some live AMAs with the owner of this business as well, so he can break down exactly what the services include. Thanks again, and if you're interested, feel free to reach out. See ya. So again, welcome back here to this video. It's crazy because I'm actually wearing the same thing when I recorded that. So for me, when I went with BCM, it's all about security and it's about savings. And so BCM, if you're interested, check it out. They've got a couple different tiers. If you want to learn more, you have instant access to Mo, who runs this business. Reach out to me. Let me know that you want to learn more. He's in our Discord all the time. But also, I'm going to do some live videos publicly here on YouTube, helping people out in this regard. I think it's very important we stay ahead of this. Making sure that our crypto taxes are done properly is very, very important. And it's been a great service for me over the last couple of years, knowing that I have the security of knowing that every asset is filed perfectly, all the transactions, all the ins and outs of different money coming into cryptos and out. The inflow outflow is so hard to track, but BCM does a fantastic job. And then obviously get your one-page handout, head it over to your CPA, makes it really easy for you. But hopefully you enjoyed this important crypto tax update. Again, so we're diving into this big story that IRS delaying $600 crypto tax threshold, citing need to clarify conditions before the rollout. Hopefully this helps you as tax season right around the corner. And again, BCM, that link, if you're interested, you want to check it out, check out the website, link down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for popping in here. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.